Good morning, Nancy DeLeon, Fiola Communities, Director of Operations. I am here at our property on Eucalyptus Avenue in Bellflower. This morning we'll be breaking some concrete and pouring a new entrance to the driveway. It has been poured. We're just leveling it out, and then it will dry, and I will get a picture next week if it dried. Get in your way, I promise.
Offerings like these are for accredited investors. You can find out more about this and other investments by registering on our website through the link above, or by visiting us at fiolacommunities.com. If you'd like to follow the progress of this investment, we link each asset with a unique hashtag listed in the message above. Thank you very much.